What's going on, guys? I'm Kyle Maring with Premier Claims.
Tristan Farrell with Premier Claims. Happy to be here, Win the Storm 2019. I'll tell you what, this event just gets better and better every single year.
Super excited. If you guys are not here right now, definitely put it on your calendars for next year. It is a must be at.
If you're in the storm restoration business, contracting business, you want to be able to grow your business, scale your business, find new connections, solutions, ones you didn't even know you were looking for, this is the place to be. Don't miss it.
Super excited for the awards ceremony tonight. It's going to be a blast. This guy knows how to throw kind of a good party. So
I'd say. Yeah.
Well, it's when you put on an event like this, look, there's a lot of roofing seminars out there you go to, the IRE, great shows. We try to blend a little bit entertainment with the training, make it motivated. So it's 1/4 motivation, 1/4 entertainment, probably 50% training. Then you got the vendors and networking, so it's kind of a unique show, a little different than your average trade show.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. I agree. And, one of the things that we've continued to say and remind people in our booth is like, hey, this event's great, Win the Storm's great, but don't forget about SVGU, because that's the stuff that between now and next year.
I'm trying to plug my products.
Hey, between now and next year at this time, that's how you really start to grow your business. You take the connections you got here, you put the training in place, hiring, mass training. That's how you really blow your business up.
And honestly, I will do a shameless plug for SVG right now. So we hire about 2 to 3 people in office every single week. Account managers, accountants, public adjusters, no matter what they do, we bring them in and play SVG videos 2 to 3 times a week, every morning, 8 or 9 a.m. And truly, for people that aren't in the industry, that are coming in and specializing in certain roles, it's truly helped them to come in, understand what's going on.
It really is. It's exciting because we take a lot of what Anthony's implemented from a trading standpoint, but in return, we're providing a lot of content and feedback back to SVGU, So to be a featured PA there is certainly exciting for us.
Well, I think it'd be good for some public adjusters to have that contractor's perspective. So if you go to the virtual reality or use SVG virtual training and get a little contractor's perspective instead of be kind of just to hone in on the public adjuster perspective. Exactly. Have you guys tried the virtual reality goggles?
I haven't, and I'm excited.
Let's go do that next.
I'm excited to do it.
Yeah,
I'll take you over
that's
there.
really cool. That's very
All right,
innovative.
guys, see you soon.
Thank you. Premier Claims.